Let's go. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let me fix this camera, baby. Good morning, everybody. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let's get it. We in the building, baby. Let's go, everybody. Good morning. Happy Friday. I hope that you have a great weekend. I want to give a shout out to Stock Mo. I want to give a shout out to Uncle Larry. Go follow those guys. I want to give a shout out to the family who's in the building, who's ready to make some money. Let's get it, baby. Shout out to AMC Apes. Shout out to the Dogecoin Army. Shout out to the Shiba Inu Army. Shout out to everybody who's getting money today. Let's go. Let's talk about it. So, a lot of you are new here. As we always do, I want to see where you from in the comments. Let everybody know where you from. Now, again, let's get it. Round of applause for everybody who making money today. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. Now, family, I want you to understand this. And again, I guess the mic is working. Oh, yeah, Puerto Rico is in the building. Hey, here we go. We got Reno in the building. Oman is in the building, baby. Oh, Germany is here. The whole family stepping out today. Make sure that you hit that like button on your way in so the notification could go out. Let's get it, baby. And I want to give a major shout out to the Discord family. Guess what? Discord family is growing like wildfire. I want to say for the third day in a row, we hitting record numbers of members just joining the Discord family. Come on now, let's get it. Let's go, baby. We love it. We absolutely love it. I see DC in the building, Orlando in the building. Hey, let's get to the most lit live stream that there is right here, right now. Let's go. Let's get it. Let me fix this camera again, baby, and we gotta talk. Oh yeah, we gotta talk. Do we? Oh yeah. So yesterday, if you missed this video, I gotta tell you something, family. You missing out. You missing out. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you could be up on the plays and things can make sense for you where they are not making sense for others. Hit that notification bell, turn on all notifications for it. Now, let's talk about it. SHIBA INU price prediction video from yesterday, right? This one, super important. What's going on, family? Let's take a look at SHIBA INU's price right now. Currently, it is 4 zeros. 6-9. 4 zeros and 6-9. You know what? If you own Shiba Inu, I want you to put a dog, or if you own Doge or any dog related coin, put a dog in the comment, baby. Shout out to Italy, shout out to Nigeria, shout out to London. But let's talk about it. Why is this price not accurate from when you first bought the coin? From when you first bought the coin. Let's get it. This should be 3 zeros and a 1 by now, if the circulating supply remained the same. Now, I'm telling you, family, we had a lot of people that had me thinking they were working for the Motley Fool. If you've been rocking with me for a long time, you understand what I'm talking about here. But let's make it make some sense right here, right now on live. And since I'm live, I could describe it just like you need to hear it. Let's take a look. Let's go to Coinbase. Let's go to Coinbase. Coinbase has a pretty easy to see user interface. If you're looking to load up on Shiba Inu, Coinbase, hit the Coinbase link in the description, or hit the Webull link in the description as well, so then you can load up. And I want you to have multiple accounts. Why? So that you could trade in some, or at least in one, and then long-term invest in the other. I've been preaching this for a long time, you got to have multiple brokers. So now, let's talk about it, baby. Let's talk about it right here, right now. Let's make it make some sense for the family. Because family, guess what? This should not be the price. So again, why did you need to watch this video? And if you didn't watch it, I want you to watch it. It's this one. SHIBA INU price prediction, right? Currently over 100,000 people have viewed it. And it's really important to see. And I got to say this. It's about the circulating supply. It's about the circulating supply. And then some people contacted me in the comment and they were like, Kenan, but did you know the circulating supply was incorrect? And I'm like, where my notepad at? Hold up. Bop, bop, bop. What do you think the video is about? It's all good. It's all good. If you're working for the Motley Fool, I understand. I understand. But let's go to Twitter. And let's look at Shiba Inu, the official Shiba Inu Twitter. Now, let's see. I think this is them. Let's see if they have a blue check. Yes, this is them. Shiba Inu, blue checked and everything. Watch what they posted. They said, this was 7 hours ago. Let's go to this one. It says, SHIB Army, we have not stopped working to make sure CoinMarketCap provides answers in regards to the circulation issue. As reported earlier by many, right? Update, a bug caused by their engineering teams, migration to a new infrastructure is causing the circulation figures to be off. Why is it important that the circulation figures are off? Now, we got to give a shout out to CoinMarketCap.
Stop the cap.
Why? Because they are not keeping it real. They are not keeping it raw with all of us. What's going on with them? The circulating supply is inaccurate, and the circulating supply is being used to give us a listed price. And that listed price not being in the 3 zeros now, even after this run, is causing the FOMO buyers to think that this isn't doing what it's supposed to do. So let's go to some of the facts. Let's go back to this. Let me show you how a price is given. You see this 70 up here? 4 zeros, 70? Let's make it make some sense. How do you get 4070? Right? Like this. You take the market cap. So let's ask Siri like we always do. Hey Siri, how are you?
Hi there. I feel good.
Okay.
Thanks for asking.
Okay, that's good. No problem. Now, what is 38.7 billion divided by 500?
38,700,000,000 is an integer. 38,700,000,000
Slow
is also
down.
even and is not prime.
Siri, slow down. What is 38.7 billion divided by 549 trillion?
The answer is about 7.0491 times 10 to the negative fifth power.
So I'm sure you didn't hear that, but what Siri just told us was this. And let's see if you can see it. It might look backwards to you, but all you need to see is a 7 and a 0. All you need to see is a 7 and a 0. Hold on. Let me see if I can focus that in. This is what Siri just told us. I don't think I can see it really well. I'll send it to the computer. Hold up. You know I got you. You know I got you, baby. Hold up. You know. And hit that like button while you waiting, family. We need to get the notifications out to everybody in the building. I appreciate y'all for the super chats. Just know you keeping the lights on in here. Let's go. So watch this. Watch this. Siri just dropped some information on us. Long story short, she said this number right here because that's how you get the price. How do you get the price? You take the market cap, this 38.7, and you divide it by the circulating supply. So people are saying, Kenan, it's not a price error. It's a circulating supply error. Yes, but the circulating supply gets you the price because it's a part of the calculation. 38.7 billion divided by 549 trillion gets you our price where we are right now, or at least when I took this screenshot. Basically, this is the same as this right here. So now, why is this a huge issue? This is a huge issue for the very fact that we should have already lost a zero. And we got absolute proof, according to SHIBA INU themselves, the official website of SHIBA INU, or actually on Twitter, they said that CoinMarketCap
Stop the cap.
basically had an error with their engineers, just like I was saying, how the supply is not right. And it's totally slowed down the FOMO buying. Now, in my opinion, what I see is the people who would have bought in because they saw it lost zero, they're now sitting on the sideline like, whoa, SHIBA INU dipped. But in actuality, SHIBA INU didn't dip. It didn't dip at all. It's way up. But the price is looking like it's appearing as if it dipped. But the price in the market cap is way up. Now, what is going to happen? They're trying to get it fixed. But to be honest with you, I wouldn't bet on it. I would not bet on it. But I hope that they do. But the good thing to understand is even if they can't get the circulating supply back down to where it was supposed to be, because understand, if the circulating supply is lower, then guess what? The end number, the price will be higher. That's what you got to understand. If the circulating supply is lower, the price will be higher. So, for example, the previous one, like I was saying before, the previous circulating supply, and again, you know I always got the receipts. Why? Because, and again, I want to tell you this for sure. I want you to understand me on this. Take screenshots. When you are using something as evidence or proof of something, I want you to take screenshots of what you're doing. Why do I want you to do that? For the sole fact that you need to understand that these websites, they like to update and change things all of the time. And it's so easy to go into the background on a website and then basically just change everything as if it never happened. But if you got a screenshot of that, family, come on now, it's locked in and they can't act like they didn't do it. So that's why I call them coin market cap.
Stop the cap.
So now let's go over here. Coin market cap, because they're not keeping it real. So here we go. Hold up. Let me go right back over here. Like I said to you yesterday, the market cap would have needed to be 39.5 billion divided by 394,796 billion in order to get us to lose 1-0. We would have lost a zero, baby. We would have lost a zero. And then the FOMO buyers would have been in the building. But guess what? The price is a calculation of the market cap divided by the supply. Let's say that again. The price is a calculation. If you leave here knowing nothing else, understand that the price, how do you get a price? You divide the market cap, how many coins, or actually, what is everything worth? What is the total dollar amount of this thing worth? Divided by the supply. Take the market cap, divided by the supply. That's how you get the price. Now, if the supply is way, way up, then the price will be way, way, way down. And look, I got proof, because like I tell you, I take the screenshots and I got the receipts and I got the evidence. So if they try to change it, I can say, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold up. You changed something. Here. SHIBA INU, when it was the 11th biggest cryptocurrency, it had a market cap, a circulating supply. How many coins were circulating? 394 trillion. What evidence do we have to back up that this number is not right? Guess what evidence? We got the top evidence that we've ever needed to have. And what is it? SHIB Army. We have not stopped working to make sure that coin market cap
Stop the cap.
provides answers in regards to the circulation issue, as reported earlier by many. And a bug caused by their engineering team's migration to a new infrastructure is causing the circulation figures to be off. But notice, isn't it weird how all of these new bugs happen when the price is going all the way up and making new millionaires and making people rich and all of these other kind of things, family? Isn't that weird and just a huge coincidence, right? Come on. I want you to take the wool over your eyes and just pull it away and say, you know what? Stop it. Stop it. We got to make it make some sense, and we got to always pay attention. Now, why is that important? Take a look at this. 18.6 billion. When this was the market cap right here, the price was 47. So family, if we were to double 18.6 billion, hold up. Hey Siri, I have another question.
I don't understand. Siri, I have another question. But I could search the web for it.
Okay, we got jokes today. Yo, Siri. You know what? Never mind. I'm not even gonna go there with you. Let's get right to it. What is 18.6 billion times 2?
It's 37,200,000,000.
37,200,000,000. Let's ask again. Hey Siri, what is 18.6 billion times 2?
The answer is 37,200,000,000.
37,200,000,000. So according to this, if our market cap was doubled, then that means our price should have doubled, because the circulating supply wouldn't change. It wouldn't change at all. So hold on. You're telling me that at 37, right? 37.2, we should be at 48, or even in the ninth. Hold up. What is 47 times 2?
It's 94.
It's 94. So family, at 37, we should be at 94. So let's see. What did Coinbase just say we were at? We're at 38. Are we at 94? No, we are not at 94. Why? Because the circulating supply is up. And according to SHIBA INU on Twitter with the blue check, that this is a circulation issue from CoinMarketCap.
Stop the cap.
From CoinMarketCap. And guess what? For this very reason, you already know. Tell me this, family. If everyone would have seen this thing this close to losing a zero, what would have happened? They would have flooded in. They would have straight up flooded in. But let's see what actually went and happened. Let's go to CoinMarketCap.
Stop the cap.
And let's see. Let's click on right here. Now, when you go to CoinMarketCap, this is a website. This is a website that shows you the market cap of every cryptocurrency, or at least the major ones, many of them. Bitcoin is at a market cap of 1.1 trillion. 1.1 trillion. Ethereum, about half a trillion. Right? Binance, okay, we see him. Oh, SHIBA INU, the Doge killer. We're ahead of Doge. We're at 38.3 trillion. But remember, we needed to be at 37 to be at 9. If we got to 39.5, we would have lost to 0 with the old circulating supply. But for whatever reason, they're engineers or blah, blah, blah that they want to tell you. I'm telling you, family, right now, some of these large institutions, some of these whales, they want you to die broke. They want to eat steak. They want to eat lobster. They want to have the gourmet breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then when they see you and you open up a pistachio and you're about to, oh, yeah, no, you're being greedy, right? And they want to take it from you. Understand me on that. So now, if the circulating supply was different, the price would be different. And you know what else happened too? Since SHIBA INU didn't lose another 0, people started flooding back into Dogecoin. And again, we like Dogecoin too, but understand, people started flooding back into Dogecoin. Now, I want to get, somebody said synthetic coins. Hey, I'll let you be the judge. However, understand, the circulating supply and the total supply are not the same. Circulating supply is the reason that, or is what is used. So take a look at this. This is called circulating supply. How many of them are actively being traded that are not dead? Right? That are not dead. So now take a look at this. This is the circulating supply now, and this is why our price is where it is at 69 or 70 or so on and so forth. Right? Facts. Exactly. Hold up. Let's get it. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about, baby. So now we should have be this close to losing a 0. And we were already at about, let's call it 42 or even 46 at a point in time. Hold on, family. Let's go over here. Because somebody's telling me, Kenan, please check out Lucid Motors. Family, tell me that it's up. Tell me it's in the 40s. Please. Whoa, my goodness, family, we close. Now, man, if only we were in a call option. If only we were in a Lucid call option. I want to give a shout out to the Discord fam. I want to give a shout out to the Discord family for what? We just made $2,000, baby. We just made $2,000 since what? We wasn't even in this for 10 days or so. We just made $2,000. All it took was a little bit of time. As soon as we heard that they were delivering cars, we knew what time it was. And I told you this time and time again. Wall Street behind the 8 ball. What does that mean? You would think that's a bad thing, right? But it helps you to get in before the large institutions do. Look at this. Family, we just made 2 G's. I want to give a Don DeMarco to the family. Let's go. 2 G's. Let's go. I love it. I love to see it, baby. Let's go. Make money. If you want to be up on the plays as early as we are, hit the Discord link in the top. It says Kenan Grace. I pinned it. Join the Discord with us. So then when we do plays, and I want to tell you this. If you just get in on the Discord with us, I want you to understand how it works. Again, Discord family been growing like wildfire in the last, I don't even know how many days. I want to say 3, but understand. Man, Discord fam in the house, you made 200% on 3 Lucid cards. Let's get money, baby. Let's go. Now, understand me on this. If you want to join the Discord, right? This is what you need to understand. If I get in a call, and I don't do calls every day, I tell you, if I see a price I like, I strike. And if I don't, I pass on a play. You got to know when to get in one or when to sit on the sidelines and just analyze. And then you wait for your opportunity and you wait for the chance. You say, I see the chance right there, because it's just like being in real estate, where I'm telling you that the opportunity, you don't want to just be in a call for being in a call. You want to get in a good one. Understand me on that. And then, for example, I like to make thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars on these. But if you get in, this is one thing. I always got to keep it real with you, and I always tell you, if I get into a call option and it's not going my way, I'm getting out of the play. Never let pride keep you from making profit. So, for example, let's say that we got into, let's call it 5 Lucid call options, right? Let's say we got into 5 of them. And then the first 4, boom, We lost $20 on that. I'm out. It's not going my way. I'm out. We lost $20 on the next one. I'm out. We lost $20 on the next one. I'm out. We lost $20 on the next one. Man, Kenan, you keep letting go of these plays. But then we see that we in a fifth play that's going to run up $2,000. Oh, yeah, I'm holding on to that one, and I'm going to make money with that one. You got to cut the losers out of your life and hang on to the winners, baby. And then remember to take profits. But understand me on that. Understand me. When somebody doesn't show you how to play offense and defense, that's huge with me. Learning how to make offense and learning how to play offense and learning how to play defense. That's so huge with me. You got to understand that you really, really, really need to have a full game plan, baby. Have a full game plan. I want to give a shout out to the super chat that's going on. AMC is working on accepting SHIBA INU. We got to check that out. And by Mononoke, I haven't heard of it, family. Satama Inu. Okay. Good looking out. That one is gaining popularity, believe it or not. My guy said, facts, appreciate you, big dog. Much love. Much love for you for that. Much love. And let me check out another one, too. Good looking out. Just know I appreciate you. It's always love. I see some headphones in the chat, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Here we go. Let me reload this, too, so I can probably check it out. I don't want to miss it. I appreciate y'all for that. Some of them are kind of gone, but I might be able to scroll. Also, family, we are not at 50% likes or even close, baby. So let's hit that like button. I want you to take a second. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. So then when you are up on the plays or whatever's going on, you could be up on the plays with us. And I want you to hit the like button. Take a second to hit the like button. Take a second to subscribe to the channel because some of you are not currently subscribed. Yep. And let's get it. If you want to join the Discord, I will help you to get in when the live stream is over. I'll help you to get in when the live stream is over. But you could definitely get yourself in. Now, let's keep it going, baby. Because understand, this circulating supply stuff, why? When somebody got into the comments and they said, Kenan, this isn't a price error. This is a circulating supply error. I'm thinking like, dude, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? That's like saying, look, I'm not even going to go there. Where my notepad at? Hold up. Stop playing with me. Those things work together to get you a price. Here we go. So now, let's check it. Let's check it. We're at $40, baby. We're at $40. What was I telling you when I tell you that they're behind the 8 ball? They're behind the 8 ball. Wall Street, they jumped in. Let's see when Wall Street jumped in. Wall Street jumped in here. Wall Street jumped in here at 28. You see what I'm saying? Wall Street jumped in here at 28. The rest of us, especially the Discord fam, we picked it up. This is telling you 22. Nah, we picked it up. We picked it up like right here. Some people got it at 15, but we did this. We got it at like 18, 17, 18. Jumped into a call option for $20, a $20 call. That thing ran up to like 25. We jumped out, right? And then guess what? We used that money and jumped into a $30 call. And now that thing, we just been chilling. And look at it now. Bow. Look at that. Let's go. Just join the Discord. Discord family growing like wildfire. I love it. And family, Lucid Motors, let me tell you right now. The FOMO buyers are coming for us, baby. They coming for us. And guess what? We all ready. We ready. We ready. I love it. I love to see it. I love to see it. Now, family, there's another one that's getting pretty hot. And what is it? It's Safe Moon. It's trying to wake back up. I just want to put this on your radar. Safe Moon is waking back up. It got to many zeros. I don't even know how many zeros that is in 70, right? It was not too long ago. Or what's going on? We're freezing a little bit. Melissa, hit the top of the comment. Hit the pinned comment. And that's how you join. That's how you join. Somebody said BBIG. BBIG is coming down, and I may double down on it. I already doubled down on it. I may double down on it again to get an even lower average. I'm still looking. Oh, somebody said check out Charge Point.
It don't move.
Please tell me it's over 24. I want to see it. Yes. Yes. Family, yes. We love it. Charge Point is over to 24. Let's go. Let's go. Family, so this is what I want you to do right now. Make sure that you have multiple trading brokerages. I'm talking about if you got Coinbase, get Coinbase. If you don't have it, get Coinbase. The link is in the top of the comment. I want you to get into Webull. I want you to get in a public. I want you to join multiple brokerages. I want you to have one that you invest long term. I want you to have one that you trade in. And I want you to have one that maybe you run options in or something like that. Maybe that could be a trading account, but I want you to have multiple, especially when you know what happened with Robinhood earlier this year when they took away that buy button. If you have multiple, then you can still operate while other people are stuck. Now, Discord family growing like wildfire. We love it. Where do you buy Safe Moon? I want to say this. Bitmart, I bought it on Bitmart, but I told you yesterday, I didn't like my experience. I did not like my experience. Disney is trying to pop back up, but it's really struggling to get higher than where it is now in this range. It's really struggling to get higher than that. Let's go. Shout out to Miami. Shout out to Miami. But family, the player of the day is Lucid so far. We love it. We love it. Really, really pushing. Really pushing. Now, let's see what it's doing on the... Yeah, family, I think there's even more money to be made here. I'm going to tell you this right now. Notice the RSI is overbought. It's overbought. So that means it's going to cool off right here. So RSI, again, for those of you who don't know, what we do oftentimes on this channel is we talk about the technicals, but we keep it really simple for everybody to understand, because some people like to make it so complicated when you're doing technical analysis, when there's only 3 trends. There's an uptrend, there's a downtrend, and then there's consolidation. You want to find the beginning of a new trend, and then you get on that wave and you ride it, whether it be riding the wave up or riding the wave down. What do I mean by riding the wave down? Most people that try to ride the wave down, they get in the stock and then they lose money on it and try to average down. Now, again, averaging down is great, but you have to add buying put options to your toolkit. Add buying put options to your toolkit, but you got to know what you're doing. Join the Discord again for the options class if you don't know how to do options. And again, let me check and see where we at with the likes, family. Take a second. We are this close to having 50% likes. Hit that like button. We are super close. I want to say we less than 500 likes away. I want to appreciate y'all and love y'all. Can we get a round of applause? Can we get a round of applause for the family? Let's go. Much love, baby. Much love. How do you buy Safe Moon? I will go to Trust Wallet. I will go to Trust Wallet and do that. Okay, now. So, again, notice, like I said, the RSI got way, way overbought. So then we had to cool off. You see this? This is it cooling off. But notice, we're trying to approach oversold. We're trying to approach oversold. So overbought is when the RSI is over 70. So just for you who are watching, you see this little, like it's kind of highlighted right here in a blue. Like this is empty, but then this is filled in. Whenever you see something like this, it's overbought and it's likely to cool off. So you want to see what's going to happen with this trend. Notice though, there are so many new buyers who are getting in this. Some people are going to wake up at 10 o'clock and then they're going to say, whoa, Lucid is up, whatever amount, and they're going to jump in. Just like that. Just like that. So now, let's see. There is money to be made literally right here, right now. But let's see. Let's let this thing cool off. Let's let this thing cool off. And notice that charge point is also pumping. We love to see it. So, you know what? Let's see if Tesla is pumping too, family, because, listen, these EV plays, oh, yeah. These EV plays are going crazy right now. It's EV season again. We love it. We love it. We love it. Tesla, the all-time high is 1094. You could think of this as green light, family. So once we pass that all-time high again, the FOMO buyers, large institutions who didn't believe in it before, that's what they're doing. That's Louisiana in the building. Let's go. Let's go. Said, dude, you the best in the game. Appreciate you for that, big dog. Much love. Much, much love. Okay, now, let's see what we got. SHIBA INU. The current price. Let's do some calculations, family. The current price is 4 zeros and 70. I want you to think about how many SHIBA INU you have. Think about how many you have, right? You can keep it simple. Keep it in the millions or the billions, depending on how much you have. Currently, right now, each one of them is worth 4 zeros and 7. 4 zeros and 7. Now, with the current circulating supply of 500 trillion or 549 trillion and a market cap of about 38 billion, guess what? That gives us our current price up here. But understand, like I told you a little bit earlier on the live stream, SHIBA INU is not supposed to have this circulating supply. According to who? According to them. literally according to them. They said there's a circulating issue, a circulation supply issue, right? It's not supposed to be this. What is it supposed to be? According to them, officially, it's supposed to be back to this number where you bought it before, right? It's supposed to be this like you bought it before. So Shari, I think that's how you pronounce your name. Again, no disrespect. I have not heard you say it, but I appreciate you. I'm feeling the same as I was, and I got to go to a specialist today at like 2. But I can do the live stream because I got to do that later. So I appreciate you for that. You said, Safe Moon, double my money already. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. So the circulating supply is supposed to be this. So now think about how many coins you have, and let's go back and let's see. Let's do the calculations on that. Let's go to coin market cap.
Stop the cap.
Coin market cap and see what the current market cap is. And then we're going to do the numbers. As it stands, SHIBA INU is the 9th biggest crypto on this earth, and the market cap is 38.2 billion. 38.2 billion, baby. And again, shout out to y'all showing me love. I appreciate you keeping the lights on in here, baby. Now, let's do the numbers. Hey Siri, how are you?
Hi there. I'm pretty good. Thanks.
You going to the movies later, Siri?
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you. Could you please repeat what you said?
Oh, you deaf now. Okay. All right. So, you know what? Whatever. So let's do it like this. Let's take the old circulating supply and let's take the new market cap and divide it by the old circulating supply of 394 trillion, right? And let's see what the difference is. So the new market cap is 38.2 billion, and we're going to divide that by the old circulating supply. So not 18, we're going to divide it. So notice, we didn't even have to really do that. Watch this. Let's do it. Let's just do it anyway. 38.2 billion divided by 394 trillion 796 billion.
It's about 9.6758 times 10 to the negative 5th power.
So 9.6. Siri said that this is supposed to be 9.6. With the old market cap, family, this is supposed to be 9.6. So let's keep doing some math. I'm going to send this to you so you can see it. Not with the old market cap, I'm sorry. With the old circulating supply, we're supposed to be at what? 9.6. That is supposed to be the current price. So wherever you are now, imagine that you had like 4 zeros and then 20 more. So then let's see. This is supposed to be the current price. According to who? You don't have to listen to me. You can listen to SHIBA INU themselves. They said that a bug was caused by the engineering team at CoinMarketCap.
Stop the cap.
And it's giving us circulation issues, right? Circulation issues. What is a circulation issue? The circulating supply is wrong according to CoinMarketCap. So we already know what time it is. In your current price. And there's a website. Too. It's called, let me see if I can find it. Oh, that was super easy to find. SHIBA INU calculator. Let's do it. SHIBA INU calculator. Look at SHIBA INU calculator with the market cap of 27. This is what they have right here. 27.7 billion. SHIBA INU 394, right? 394. So this is what they're saying is going on here. They're saying that this is the price. They're saying that this is the market cap. And this is the circulating supply. So according to this, both things are incorrect. Even Coinbase has a wrong market cap. Coinbase, they're saying they have a wrong market cap and a wrong circulating supply. If this is accurate. But notice that SHIBA INU's Twitter retweeted this. SHIBA INU's Twitter is retweeting this. So I'm telling you, family, it's always something funny. Whenever people who are normally categorized as either poor or middle class or anything tries to find some way, somehow to start making more money, what happens? These whales, these hedge fund managers, these people who have billions of dollars to put in that they are willing to lose, they start to get in the game and they start messing things up. You know, I promise you this, believe it or not, I bet you. And I'm going to say this right now. And again, nobody's trying to get sued, But allegedly, supposedly, I promise you, there are billionaires and big whales in crypto who have an ear at CoinMarketCap.
Stop the cap.
Allegedly, supposedly, hypothetically, right? Nobody has any proof of that. But I want to know, would you be surprised if this error happened by mistake, or if it isn't really a, you see what I'm saying? If it isn't really an error and it isn't really some mistake, I want you to think about that. I want you to really think about that, because they know as soon as we would have lost a zero, they know what would have happened. They know what would have happened. They know everybody would have flooded in, and then the people, again, who would have been categorized as poor, the people who would have been categorized as middle class, everybody like that, guess what? You would have had way more money than you had, and then boom, they would have been like, no. You're being greedy. You're being greedy. You're being greedy. So now, let's see. SHIB amount, let's see, what units do they have here? Okay, SHIB, let's say you have 1 million. Let's go with 1 million. Right? So then you can multiply this by how many you have. So if you have 16 million, you multiply this by 16. What is your price target for this? Let's say you want 1, 2, 3, and 1. Right? So let's see. Input unit. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Total value in USD. So 1 million SHIB in USD, not 1 point. Let me put a decimal in there. So let's see what we get. Okay. So family, from where it is now, you would have been up 42% from where you are now. You would have been up 42% from where you are now. But it's looking like everything, guess what? Who knows? Who knows what's going on? And the market cap needed to be exactly what our calculation said. You see this right here? Also, do we have 50% likes? At this point, we need about 3,000. We should be very, very close to having the likes that we need to have 50%. So about 500. I want you to take the time, hit the like button so we get up to 3,000 likes, and then take the time and subscribe if you are not already subscribed, so you can be up on all of the plays, the most up-to-date information on SHIBA INU from legitimate facts, not just rumors, not just things like that. We're checking out SHIBA INU, what they're saying themselves, right? We're checking out the data. We're checking out everything that's going on. One of the latest updates that SHIBA INU said on their Twitter was this. SHIBA's grown quite a bit, but it's not only the part of the ecosystem doing it, right? The increase in leash volume. So remember, there are subdivisions of, they actually work with Bitmart? Okay. I didn't know they were working with Bitmart. All right. The increase of leash volume is important, and exchanges are listing the demand, right? They're listing to the demand. Congrats to Bitmart Exchange for leash. They have it listed. So we love it. We love it. We love to see it. We absolutely love to see it. Yo, let's go. We almost got 3,000 likes, baby. Let's get it. I want to say this too. I want to give a major shout out to everybody in the building. And I want to tell you this. This is one of the only live streams that I've ever seen that had at a point 60% likes. 60% likes. I've never seen anything like that. And we had, the highest we ever got was like 70%. So I wanted to say, I appreciate y'all for showing love all of the time. Let's get this money. So now, let's see what else is going on. Let's check Lucid, right? Because Lucid, LCID, we'll come back to not Safe Moon. We'll come back to this in a second. Also, there are 2 cryptocurrencies you have to keep on your radar. You have to keep them on your radar. For now, why? It's Safe Moon. This one is pumping. It's up 56%. 56%. You said the due diligence is off the chain. Appreciate you for that, baby. Appreciate you for that. I'm telling you. That's why I want you to hit the notification bell and turn on all notifications, and then hit the subscribe button if you haven't, obviously, right? And hit the like button so you could get these notifications. You need help getting in the Discord, Phil. Hit the Discord link in the pinned comment. Hit the Discord link in the pinned comment. He said, we like you. Hey, I like you too, baby. It's the truth. Come on now. I got you every time. I got you with the up-to-date information. Keep your eye on Safe Moon. Keep your eye on Safe Moon. It's pumping. And also, keep your eye on this one. I can't really spell it, but I'll try. Saitama Inu. I can't really spell it. So let me actually go to Google. I can't really spell it. And then, you know what's funny too? Somebody told me that that's one of the things that they like about me, is that I ain't no shame in my game. If I can't spell it or whatever, I don't know it. I'm not afraid of ignorance. You know why? You don't want to remain ignorant. What you want to do is understand that you don't know everything, and then go and learn. Go and find evidence. Go and find facts. Go and find things that support what you think, and then go and find things that don't support what you think in case it's time to learn something new. It's time to assimilate some new knowledge into your head. That's really important to really understand that there's always an opportunity to learn. That's how you become the best version of yourself. And you got to keep it real. Don't be afraid of the lack of knowledge that you have. Stand in that and then say, you know what? Now I have a chance to grow. I have a chance to move. I have a chance to learn. That's huge, to having a chance to understand and learn. So let's go to CoinMarketCap.
Stop the cap.
Don't take it too seriously. Remember that, because you see that apparently they don't understand what's going on with their own website. Their engineers, all of a sudden, family, you're supposed to be up 42% from where you are right now. If you up, family, if you are up 100%, you're supposed to be up 42% more from where you are now. From where you are now. So now, let's see this. They're saying Shib INU. This is what I want you to remember too. And let me take this real quick right here. Let's check this. I want you to add this, and I told you this before. I want you to add this to your investing repertoire, especially when you're trying to get into a coin, right? This is so important. Look up a topic and look up how hot is it right now? How hot is this topic? If it's cooling off, you know you might be in an opportunity to buy. But if it's crazy hot, heating up, look at this. So, Shib INU. This is another cryptocurrency that you need on your watch list. Notice, on July 25th through the 30th, it was about, can you see this? You can't see it well. Let me move this up. On July 5th, and let me try to zoom this in for those of you who probably will have a hard time seeing this at this level. Okay, so now, how does this scale work? So this is Google Trends. You type in a name, you type in anything. This is what I typed in. And I'm looking at the time frame of the last 12 months. Look at how it ramped up, right? It always goes from 100% peak interest and then 0, right? This is the range, 100 to 0. So the most people who have ever looked it up are looking it up between October 24th. We're at 100%, October 24th and October 30th. So we're in this range, right? Now, we are super at peak, like we're hot right now, crazy hot. Where do you buy this? Go to Coinbase, hit the Coinbase link in the top comment if you want to buy this one. Dollar cost average into any of these. Remember that. Dollar cost average into any of these. Just understand, if you're getting in, don't go all in at once. Never do that. So go to Coinbase, and then what Coinbase will have you do is they'll have you download a wallet, a Coinbase wallet, and then you can buy it in there. So now, let's check it out. Let's change the time frame, and let's look it up in the last 7 days or so. You want to see if it's cooling off. So when was it at peak interest? 100 at the 26th. So family, just 3 days ago. And right now, compared to that, we're at 33. Oh, you can't see that? We're at 33. So we were at peak interest 3 days ago on the 26th. Right? At 3 a.m. And then look at this. We're at 25. So if it's going to run, this would be a low interest time that you could get some skin in the game. Get some skin in the game. So now, and again, I'm not suggesting you do, but I want you to understand that that's how you approach these kind of things. And then the other one too is this. The one that we all of us, we can compare is SHIBA, or let's just look up SHIB. Shorter terms have higher search volume. Look at SHIB. Look at SHIBA INU in the last 7 days. Look at how it fell off. What do I mean by fell off? I don't mean by it lost value. I mean, whatever happened with CoinMarketCap
Stop the cap.
has sent us from 100 peak volume up here, right? Or at least, you know what, not 100. From 49 peak volume in the last 7 days, all the way down to right here, where it's at 17% of peak volume. If we would have lost to 0, family, we would have been at 100 again. The FOMO buyers would have came in. Everybody would have been in this one. Let me tell you right now, the FOMO buyers, the institutions who are behind the 8 ball, who are trying to make money on this. Also, just a quick fun fact. I want you to see this. Somebody purchased a crypto investor. And this is crazy to hear. This is crazy to hear. A crypto wallet shows An investor made an $8,000 SHIBA INU purchase last year. And how much is it worth? 5.7 billion now, family. This is probably the best investment on record ever. This is crazy. Maybe there's a better one, but I'm pretty sure this is in the running for the best investment literally ever made. You said, this is fire due diligence. I got you, family. Always. I always got you. I want you to understand me on that. This is why people subscribe to the channel. This is why people really listen. And I want you to, again, to just, I'm telling you this right now. I'm always going to keep you up to date on all of the news. I post videos every single day. I go live Monday through Friday, but I post videos every single afternoon just so you can make sure you understand what's going on with the plays. But again, family, imagine you put $8,000 or so in there and you would have been a billionaire. Come on now, that's crazy. You can't act on that information, but it's just crazy to understand that somebody did that. That's crazy. That's really crazy. So now, let's go back and let's take a look. Let's go back and let's take a look. Let's see. Pinterest is still coming down. Pinterest is still coming down. Notice that PayPal, they kind of cleared up everything that was going on with buying this, and then they say, you know what? Not sure, right? So then this one is coming down. Lucid has cooled way off, but it's still way up. Tesla, family, Tesla. Here we go. New all-time high. New all-time high again. Family, Tesla, new all-time high. Best live stream out here. Let's go. Family, Tesla is going crazy again. Doge Elon is making millionaires. Glad you feel better. I appreciate you for that. Yo, family, Tesla. If you own Tesla, let me know in the chat. We are at a new all-time high again. Now, let's check out and see if Doge Elon, or is it Doge line? Am I saying that incorrectly, family? Is it Doge Elon or is it Doge line? How do you pronounce that? So check out the chart. A little bit funny. No, for Little Bunny Rocket. I haven't heard of it. Doge line or Doge Elon? Let's check them out. Let's just Google it for now, and you can tell me how to say it if you so choose. Again, to be honest, I really don't care how to say it. I'm here to make money with the family, baby. Let's go. Yo, shout out to you, big dog, my guy. Atiro, he said, I bought Saitama back in June for $10 and gave you 70 billion. You said you're sitting on 5K as it stands. He said, if I would have invested 1,000, he said a trillion coins Saitama would be worth 70K. Family, that's what I'm talking about. I'm seeing a lot of batteries in the comments. I'm seeing a lot of batteries and EVs in the comments. Let's go. 3 shares of Tesla. Understand me on this, family. Again, if you can't afford 1 share of Tesla, I showed this, and I want you to really understand, because we're making money with the coins. We're making money with the stocks. ARK Invest, they said that this is going to 4,000. This is the bull case. But they say by 2025. But that's still excellent. They say it's going to full or 4,000, right? And they gave all of this information on it. So if you do not have any Tesla at all, what I want you to do again is get a fractional share, which you could do on Webull. The Webull link is in the description. Hit the Webull link, get yourself, or even hit the public link where you could get fractional shares. Actually, hit the public link. Why don't I want you to hit the public link? The public investing app, you could get fractional shares, and they have instant deposits. Instant deposits is huge, absolutely huge. And then you can get a piece of the pie. You need a piece of the pie. Everybody in California, everybody on the West Coast, everybody in New York, I got to ask you a question. Hold up, not that one. I got to ask you a question. Teslas are getting more common. Here's the question. Is it A, you see them everywhere? B, you're starting to see them more often than some other cars? Is it C, you see a Tesla every single day? Or is it D, all of the above? Let me know in the comments. And we going blood red while we wait. We killing them today. We going blood red. Is it D, all of the above? Family, we going new 1,100, baby. We going 1,100. Let's get it. Let's get it. You see, look, come on, family. They seeing Teslas everywhere. Now that we know that we're seeing them everywhere, I gotta ask you this. Do you think they're gonna get more common? Or do you think they're gonna get less common? Understand, if you have children, if you have little nieces and nephews and people who you love, who you know are gonna be living in a world in the future where Teslas are way more common, what you need to think of is we need to get them a piece of the pie. We got to build that generational wealth. I want you to think, and this is no disrespect to the people who came before you, because maybe they didn't have the information that we have at our fingertips. But now that we have it, we have a duty. And what is our duty? Our duty is to make sure that the future that they have is better than the one that we have. We want the future for us to be great, but we really need it to be great for the people that we love. So I implore you, and this is not financial advice, but get them a piece of the pie. Get them a piece of the pie. I know someone who's very close to me, and her granddad ended up getting her a bond, right? Back, I want to say, in the 90s, got her a bond, right? For $50. That $50 bond, she forgot she even had it until, I want to say, maybe 2 years ago, right? This is from the early 90s to like 2 years ago. Now, it's a bond. It's not Tesla stock. It's not nothing like that. This thing went up, let's call it, from 50 to like 100. Cool. Imagine if you bought, let's do some math here, baby. Hey, Siri, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine.
What is 2021 divide? Slow down. What my notepad? All right. What is 2021 minus 1991?
It's 30.
Oh, family, you see that math? Shout out to Siri. Shout out to Siri. Now, let's talk about it, baby. But in all seriousness, understand, instead of getting a bond, and I'm not saying you need to get a bond or the stock, but understand, if you got somebody a $50, just fractional share of Tesla stock, imagine where it would be in 30 years. The bond turned into 100. But what do you think Tesla is going to turn into in that amount of time as they get more and more and more common? And we broke into the new high, family, $1,100. $1,100. I love it. I'm blown away by this. I'm blown away. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. I love to see it. Come on, let's go. And let's go check out what Wall Street is saying about Tesla too, by the way. Let's go check them out. Wall Street, again, always behind the 8 ball. Always behind the 8 ball. And I showed you a picture of what it meant to be behind the 8 ball. Behind the 8 ball. This is what it means. When you're playing pool and you're behind the 8 ball, it means, let's see a good example. This is it. When you behind the 8 ball, family, your goal is to get that red ball over here into that hole over there. But guess what? It's blocking you, right? You behind the 8 ball. You could have did it, but now there's something in your way. And usually what's in your way is your own mindset. Usually it's your own mindset. It's the naysayers. I haven't talked about the naysayers in a long time, but I got to. They got me about to, turn up, right? Understand me on this. Naysayers have lost you more money than anybody. You've heard about SHIBA INU a long time ago. Didn't buy it. Why? Naysayers. You heard about Tesla a long time ago. Didn't buy it. Why? Naysayers. You heard about Lucid when it was $15, when it was in the $20 range for so long. You heard about it. Didn't buy it. Family. Has a naysayer ever lost you some money? I want you to think about that. Has a naysayer ever lost you some money? They're losing you more money than you would even believe. You shouldn't just blindly go into everything, but you really got to understand what these naysayers are doing to your money. Let's think about this. I didn't even get into dwac, and we were talking about this when it was like $12. And I was thinking like, nah, I'm not sure. But if I'm not sure, I don't do it. But you know what helps you be more unsure? Naysayers. These naysayers, when they get you, when they come over here, they make you even more unsure. And then you get into FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And then you've seen it. Some of you who've been rocking with me for a long time. I got into NEO when it was like, I want to say in the 20s, right? Some of you seen Neo when it was $3. Didn't buy it. Why? Naysayers. Naysayers. Didn't buy it. You didn't buy it. It's these naysayers. I'm telling you, they're killing you right now. They're killing you. I was telling you that we like charge point in the $17 to $19 range. Everybody is saying, yo, why would we buy it in that range? Why would we buy it in that range? Why? Because it's $24 today. We liked it in that range. It's $24 today. Come on now. Yep. T. Nelson just said naysayers cost you over $100K. I'm telling you this right now. We cannot have that with these naysayers. They do not want us to get money. It's as simple as that. When you hear a naysayer, what I want you to do is go do your own research and then say, okay, this naysayer is actually incorrect. This is why I should do this. So always understand that. People ask me, Kenan, should I invest in the Apple? I always say, hey, not financial advice. My answer is yes. But come on now. Dogecoin. Let's be clear. What is this one? SHIBA INU. This one is new to a lot of people. But so many people heard about Dogecoin when it wasn't even a penny. It wasn't even a penny. But guess what? Naysayers, again, naysayers, they will, I'm telling you this right now. But let's see what's going on. He said, do you see Neo following Tesla and Lucid? In terms of, they do have a little bit of a hindrance. And it's the fact that they're unsure, or people are unsure, between the relationship between China and the United States. That's the only real hindrance to them, other than the fact that the Chinese government can do whatever they want. Other than that, this company is destined to be a banger, in my opinion. Now, will it get to these numbers like Tesla? Tesla is most likely going to be the biggest dog in the game, literally forever. Now, let's see. Denise, appreciate you for the love, baby. My guy Fred, shout out to you too, family. Much love. I appreciate you, big dog. It's always love. It's always real. Always real. Now, let's see. Let's see what's going on right now. Lucid has cooled off, but it's showing strength at the 36 mark. It's showing strength at the 36 mark. And let's see. Facebook has changed its name, if you didn't know. Facebook changed its name. I want to say it's Meta now. Facebook new name. I don't know who's going to start calling it that, but maybe it'll grow on us. Let me know if it'll grow on you. We've been calling it this for over a decade, family. I don't know. I'll try. I'll give it a try. Facebook, I'm not making any promises. I'm not making any promises. This won't load. You could kind of see it. Here we go. What is Facebook's new name going to be? Meta. Facebook changes its name. Mark Zuckerberg announces the company rebrand to the metaverse. Farewell to Facebook. Hello, Meta. Why are they doing that? I don't know. I have no idea. But I'm sure it's a rebrand. They know people don't like Facebook per se, even though they do like Instagram. But it is what it is. It is what it is. But family, the Discord family, I want you to understand. Discord family growing like wildfire. I want you to hit that Discord link in the top of the chat where I got a little rocket. It says 1 and then a rocket. This is the Discord. I got to help the family. Come on over. Come on down. Hold up. Come on down. Get in with the family. Right? But your boy getting up out of here. Let's see if we got 4 family. We this close to 4,000 likes. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm getting up out of here. I want you to have a good Friday. And if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. Again, go check out Uncle Larry. Go check out Stock Mo, my guys. Appreciate those guys. And hit the subscribe to me, subscribe to them. I'll see you over there. But take care, baby. Discord family, let's get it. I love y'all. Take care.